Yes guys, how you all doing? Yes guys, how you all doing? I hope you're doing very fine. And sorry, I'm holding this mic because I'm not wearing anything that I can stick this mic. So since one guy commented, as you can see on the screen, one guy said it, yeah, if you have soya chunk, then you will have man boobs or gyno problem, whatever. Okay. So I'm gonna put one video in front of you. Okay, you can see when I was eating every single thing except soya chunk. Okay, then how I was looking. Okay. And you must understand, okay, that man boobs is not cause of soya chunk or cause of this that. I can put so many pictures in front of you. If you just fat, okay, then body accumulate fat somewhere in your body. Okay, every single body is different. Okay, like suppose my body, okay, my chest is good. Okay, so suppose someone bicep will be good. Okay, as you must have seen some women, their fat contains in hand. Okay, then some lady you will see their fat contains in back. Okay? Like in some man, okay, where body contain or body start accumulating fat in chest. Okay, so it look like boobs. Okay, so it's not gyno problem if you are fatty, and if your body nature is to accumulate fat in chest, then it will look like boobs. So it's not with soya chunk this that. Okay, so right now I just finished my gym. I don't go gym. Okay, I just some home exercise in just home, so that's all I did. Okay, so the only reason I'm making video like this without shirt, okay, as you can see this, okay, just for that guy that yeah, eat soya chunk. Okay, you must be giving excuses to yourself that yeah, no, I don't have money, how will I do this that. In 10 rupees or 15 rupees of soya chunk you can get body like this. Okay, then why the hell you need protein? Okay, body doesn't know. Okay, the body doesn't know the quality of protein. You just eat and your body will be like this. So this video is for those who think that soya chunk will give you man boobs. Okay, if boobs are like this, then I will wish all men to have just like this and body like this. Trust me. Okay, if you want to see once more, then see. This is. Do you think that yes, soya chunk gives you boobs? So that's all.